Some of fear?
No.
Let me tell you, it is forget everything and run or face everything and rise. Choice is yours. A very cheerful good morning to everyone present here. We, the students of Class 6C, are delighted to conduct the today's morning assembly where we'll share stories, thoughts and ideas to help us become better versions.
The theme of our assembly is Legacy Builders. It is based on the famous quote of Mahatma Gandhi that the future depends on what you do today.
Let's start the day with a prayer song for thanking the Almighty God for His love and protection. So I request all of you to stand up and join us in the prayer.
Call upon Inayat and Shoya on the stage to share today's thought with us.
Thought of the day is the best way to predict the future is to create it today. It was written by Abraham Lincoln. Another way to say it is that you can make things happen if you want them happen. This means if one wants to predict his future, first he needs to take the next right step in creating it today. This also means you should be inspired by small things and stay motivated always. Thank you.
सुप्रभात। आज का सुविचार, आप अपना भविष्य नहीं बदल सकते, लेकिन आप अपनी आदतें बदल सकते हैं, जो निश्चित रूप से आपका भविष्य बदल देगी। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Inayat and Shoya.
Now I invite my friends Jasrat for the national news, Fadevi for the international news, Jasrat Singh for the sports news, Kulna for the weather report.
National news that Prime Minister Narendra Modi tribute to Jharkhand's veteran leader, ongoing political tensions from Supreme Court remarks, farmer and union protests, and continued major developments in sports and business. The Supreme Court criticized Rahul Gandhi for his remark on Chinese occupation, warning that such statements should be made within Parliament only. As per Supreme Court order, Jammu and Kashmir government takes over iconic Nedu's hotel in Gulmarg.
morning everyone. Today's international news is strong earthquake in Russia. 7.0 magnitude earthquake shook the Kuril Island near Russia's east coast. Big march in Australia. In Sydney, Australia, around 10,000 people walked together in a peaceful march to support the people of Gaza. After the march, the government gave more money to help those in need. Strong waves in Australia. In New South Wales, Australia, big waves and heavy rain made beaches dangerous. People were told not to swim in the sea for now.
Good morning everyone. Today's sport news is on August 4, 2025, India won the final test match at the Oval by just 7 runs, tying the 5-match series at 2-2. Mohammad Siraj took sensational 5-wicket haul to keep India under pressure. Gill wants to test cricket to be, as it is said, its most rewarding and satisfying format.
Good morning everyone. Today's weather report is, it is 5th August today. I am going to read the weather report for today. The maximum temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. The minimum temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. There is an 80% chance of rain. The wind speed is 6.9 kilometers per hour. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for updating us with the all recent happenings around us. Now I would like to call Anaya to share opinions on this theme.
Dear friends, our assembly is based on Mahatma Gandhi's famous saying, future depends on what you do in present. The actions we take in the present are the foundations of our future. That is equal to say, be would be so. We all are the architects of our life. The reality is that none of us know what is going to happen in the future. But the action we take in the present give us an idea how our future is going to be. So, enjoy every moment of your life, but at the same time, create today for the future you want to experience tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, said my friend. Future is a terrible and dark secret, but still full of possibilities. Do you know what decide your future? Is it fate or you? Let us look at some real-life examples who have changed their predicted life by their actions.
Born in the state of Gujarat, he spent his early days helping his father and living in extreme poverty. Can you imagine someone like him can turn down the hurdles of life to an extent that he can guard the position of a prime minister?
Nelson Mandela was born in South Africa. His efforts are highly celebrated to dismantle apartheid and build a multiracial democracy in South Africa, hence putting himself in one of the greatest men in the history. Thank you.
Very well said, my friend. In spite of all odds, these people are towards building a legacy which is followed by others. Now, I would like to call Sukhmani, Lakshita and Bindaj, whose poem will truly describe the greatest legacy builder who is very close to our hearts.
None other than Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who starts his childhood by newspaper selling, but due to right actions and determination, he became the missile man of India.
तो डट कर थोड़ा दुनिया से हट कर लीक पर तो सब चल देते हैं, कभी इतिहास को पलट कर।
बिना काम के मुकाम कैसा, बिना काम के मुकाम कैसा, बिना मेहनत के दाम कैसा, जब तक ना हासिल हो मंजिल तो राह में आराम कैसा। अर्जुन सा निशाना रख, मन में ना कोई बहाना रख, लक्ष्य सामने है, लक्ष्य सामने है, बस उसी पे अपना ठिकाना रख।
सोच मत साकार कर, सोच मत साकार कर, अपने कर्मों से प्यार कर, मिलेगा तुझे तेरी मेहनत का फल, किसी और का ना इंतजार कर। जो चले थे अकेले उनके पीछे आज भी मेले हैं, जो करते रहे इंतजार उनके जिंदगी में आज भी झमेले हैं।